Hey everyone! Ever wake up after an intense workout feeling like you've been hit by a truck? Muscle soreness is real, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we're diving into the best foods to help speed up muscle recovery and reduce soreness. If you want to bounce back faster and keep making gains, keep watching. First up, we've got protein. Your muscles need protein to repair and grow. Here are some of the best options. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish. These are excellent sources of complete proteins, providing essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. Eggs, packed with high-quality protein and essential amino acids. They also contain choline, which supports muscle function and brain health. Greek yogurt, which also contains probiotics to help with digestion. It's also rich in casein protein, which releases amino acids slowly, making it great for overnight recovery. Plant-based sources like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu provide a good mix of protein, fiber, and essential micronutrients like iron and magnesium. Next, let's talk about inflammation. When you work out, your muscles experience tiny tears, leading to inflammation and soreness. But don't worry, nature has the solution. Berries like blueberries or strawberries are loaded with antioxidants. These help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, speeding up recovery time. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, packed with vitamins and minerals. They are rich in vitamin C and iron, both essential for muscle repair and oxygen transport in the body. Turmeric and ginger, powerful anti-inflammatory spices you can add to smoothies or meals. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its strong anti-inflammatory properties, while ginger helps with muscle pain and stiffness. Now I know carbs get a bad rap, but they are essential for muscle recovery. Carbs help replenish glycogen stores so you can crush your next workout. Some great options are brown rice and quinoa, great complex carbs that provide steady energy. They are also rich in fiber, which aids digestion and keeps blood sugar levels stable. Oats, perfect for breakfast and packed with fiber. They also contain beta-glucans, which help reduce inflammation and support the immune system. Bananas, which also give you potassium to prevent cramps. Potassium is crucial for muscle contractions and preventing soreness after an intense session. Don't forget about healthy fats. They help reduce muscle inflammation and keep your joints happy. Load up on avocados, a great source of healthy fats and potassium. They also provide vitamin E, which helps protect muscles from oxidative damage. Nuts and seeds, rich in omega-3 and magnesium. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce muscle inflammation, while magnesium supports muscle relaxation and prevents cramps. Fatty fish like salmon for ultimate recovery benefits. Salmon is high in protein and omega-3, making it an ideal post-workout meal to reduce inflammation and promote muscle repair. And of course, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water, and if you've had a super sweaty session, try coconut water for extra electrolytes. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium help replenish what's lost through sweat, keeping you hydrated and reducing muscle cramps. So there you have it, the best foods for muscle soreness and recovery. What's your go-to post-workout meal? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health and fitness tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay strong and eat smart.